Origin and brief history. Japanese curry, kare, is a beloved comfort food in Japan, adapted from British curry powder introduced in the 19th century. Over time it evolved into a mild, slightly sweet dish often served with rice. Shrimp curry is a delightful seafood variation, offering a creamy, umami-rich flavor unique to Japanese cuisine. Ready to transform dinner time? Whether you're cooking for family, friends, or just yourself, this recipe is sure to impress. It's quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. Let's make a quick Japanese shrimp curry packed with flavor. This dish combines the rich, savory taste of Japanese curry with the delicate sweetness of shrimp, creating a meal that's both comforting and exotic. First things first, let's prep our ingredients. Having everything ready before you start cooking makes the process smoother and more enjoyable. Peel and devein 1 pound of shrimp. Fresh shrimp works best, but you can also use frozen shrimp. Just make sure they're fully thawed before cooking. Slice 1 medium onion, 2 carrots, and 2 potatoes into bite-sized pieces. These vegetables add a wonderful texture and flavor to the curry. Ready? Let's cook. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil or butter in a large pot over medium heat. The choice between oil and butter can slightly alter the flavor, so pick your favorite. Toss in a teaspoon each of grated ginger and minced garlic. Sauté until fragrant. This step is crucial as it forms the aromatic base of our curry. Your kitchen should smell amazing by now. The combination of ginger and garlic is simply irresistible. Next, add your sliced onions, carrots, and potatoes to the pot. These veggies not only add nutrition but also soak up the curry flavors beautifully. Cook for 3-5 minutes until they're slightly softened. This helps to release their natural sweetness and makes them tender. Add 3 cups of water or seafood stock. Using seafood stock enhances the oceanic flavor of the shrimp, but water works just as well if you don't have stock on hand. Bring it to a boil, then simmer for 15-20 minutes until the veggies are tender. This simmering time allows all the flavors to meld together. Now let's add the magic touch, 3 tablespoons of Japanese curry roux. This ingredient is what gives the dish its unique, rich flavor. Break it into small pieces and stir until it's dissolved. Make sure it's fully incorporated to avoid any lumps. Add 1 tablespoon each of soy sauce and Worcestershire sauce. These add depth and umami to the curry, enhancing its overall flavor profile. Simmer for another 5 minutes to thicken. This step ensures that the curry has a nice, hearty consistency. Finally, add your shrimp to the pot. The shrimp will cook quickly, absorbing the curry flavors while staying tender and juicy. Cook for 3-4 minutes until they're pink and fully cooked. Be careful not to overcook them, as shrimp can become tough if cooked too long. For extra creaminess, stir in half a cup of coconut milk. This adds a lovely, rich texture and a hint of sweetness to balance the spices. Serve this delicious shrimp curry over a bed of hot steamed rice. The rice soaks up the curry sauce, making each bite a perfect blend of flavors. Garnish with chopped parsley or green onions. These fresh herbs add a pop of color and a burst of freshness to the dish. Enjoy your homemade Japanese shrimp curry. It's a delightful meal that's sure to become a favorite. Ready to impress at dinner? This dish is perfect for any occasion, from weeknight dinners to special gatherings. Hit subscribe and tag us in your creations. We can't wait to see how your curry turns out.